Weirdo nga kapitbahay namin. Kung ano-ano mo tinitesting sa camera niya. Body camera.
Dito natin mapapatunayan na ang hanger ay nakasabit sa sampayan.
Bukanda forever! Sa gabi nag-Ri-Ride, sa gabi nag-Vlog, di mo mapantayan ang aking kapangyarihan!
Sa gabi nagpa-vlog, sa gabi nag-Ri-Ride. Before we continue to this video, here are some of our recent subscribers. This is my shout out for you.
Dynamo, Tight Star, Underbone King, Yonats TV, Halo Mix Vlog, and JG Alyssa NZ. So keep on subscribing and keep on watching our understandable YouTube channel, Soned, The Forces of Darkness.
Here we go again. Tightening the helmet, starting up the engine of the motorcycle, turning on the ignition. Yapabay, pichapay. At night time. Let's go. This is dope, man. This is really dope. Passing through. If you are new to this channel, then when you know what to do, just hit the red thing there that tells you subscribe button, and then it has an icon of the bell, and ring the bell for you to be, updated of the latest video that we are always uploading. So it's me, Soned. We're getting out of our lair, and the forces of darkness has been unleashed again. Yeah, bye-bye, bye. Be careful of the dogs at night and some ghost riders. Ghost riders that they don't have light, they don't have warnings, and even don't have reflectors or something. Most of them doesn't have a helmet. So right now on this night time, we will count for those people who are not wearing helmet. We don't care if they're wearing sleepers or what, but for this one, this is just an experiment. We're counting things, we're counting people who ride a motorcycle at this point of night, just testing how many would count on a 5-kilometer travel or 10-minute ride going here. So we have a first person view, so we can see the one I'm seeing also, at least on the bad aspect, not on the mere movement, very limited movement as of now, but we will count for those people not wearing helmet. Yeah, they're riding the motorcycles and they're not wearing helmet. I presume that it is seen on the video or something, because it's really dark. It is dangerous that you are not wearing helmet, and it is really nighttime. It's a double that dangerous. We don't count the tricycle drivers because it's more than 2 wheels. Strong little dried muddy putty, few of the bumps. Alright, it's really shaking to the bone. Alright, yeah. Sa gabi nagpa-vlog, sa gabi nag-ride, and we're just performing a social, observation for those people who are riding a motorcycle who doesn't wear a basic protective gear, the helmet. Well, anyway, we cannot find someone here because this is not so visited place, and it's very dark. Shining through the sunshine bright. The place is bright enough and has many lighting poles. You just turn it off or lower down the brightness of the auxiliary lamp. Like this one, I turn off the LED now because it's well lit. The streets are well lit because of the lamp LED new lamp post here in our city. My bet is I can find 20 people not wearing helmet. Okay, yeah. Wearing helmet is very important. It protects your freaking head. If you're shy person like me, it hides my face. Unlike your, not wearing helmet. I saw one already. The back rider. Yeah, we include the back rider because you must love your back rider. Number 2, yeah. Number 2 already. Yeah, I can see that. 2 riders. Ha 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 ha. Riding the motorcycle without helmet, huh? For me, we still continue. 3 riders already. Okay, scanning. Riding along the night time. 4 person. A motor rider, iya pa pay, not wearing the helmet. My bet is 20. Yeah, everybody's wearing helmet now, Yeah, because riding slow is safe, and safe is slow. At least we're half of our journey now, I think this one has many here. Very good, boys and girls, My count is only 4, Okay. Oh, 5. Back rider. 5. Yeah, boy. 5 riders riding the motorcycle. 6 motorcycle. 6 person riding the motorcycle without the head. Okay, still riding along to our destiny. Everybody close your eyes as we're coming through the threading of the night. Yeah, boy. Picture boy. I thought, Scoop 7. Let's make him fast because we're slow. He doesn't want to be in the camera. It's not shown in the video. But my count is 7 already. 7 riders not wearing the helmet. Okay, let's continue riding along. 8 rider, and he's trading me, going on my counter floor. Almost very brave people, and with a girlfriend. 9 is heating up. 9 riders not wearing the helmet. Oh, there's a kid. 10 in the middle, double dead. Kid on the motorcycle. 3. The kid is a third one, double dead. 11 rider motorcycle, not actually rider. They could be the back rider or additional without the helmet, on discounting of the no helmet people on the motorcycle. And the challenge is 20. 12 person. 12 on our count. 13 motorbike. That's a motorbike. Yeah, 13. Yeah, boy, 13 rider, motorcycle wearing no helmet. Still continue and almost there in our destination. Very dangerous. The head is the most important part of your body. Is located in its arm. 14. They're still coming, 14 people riding a motorcycle without helmet. Here we go. Okay, almost in our destination now. So we are on the 14 count, 14 count, boys and girls. 15. No, they're only tambay. The one I'm counting is the one running already on the road. Oh boy. So that ends our, social observation experiment. It's only observation. We've traveled 5 or 6 kilometers and we have counted people who are not wearing helmet on the night time. Very terrible. Always make a habit of wearing the helmet when you hop on your motorcycle. Even if you're, small errands or a nearby ride, still wear the helmet. Helmet is a part of the motorcycle already. Yeah, until now, it's very frustrating sometimes. And it saves life. Small crashes can lead to glorious death of yours if you're not wearing the helmet. That's a very tragic end because you're not even having the fast speeds, and then you hit your head on the tarmac, on the asphalt on a slow speed. Very, very sad. So boys and girls, do always make it a habit that you wear your helmet while riding a motorcycle. It's always a must. It's always a mandatory for you, not just by escaping the law or what. This is necessary. It is also for your safety of your life. If you love yourself, if you love your family, wear the helmet if you're riding a motorcycle. And always do not forget, riding safe is law. Okay. And riding safe is slow is safety. And that's for another next topic for that one on our next video. So better tune on the next, It's me Soned. That's our conclusion. That's our, also our best reminder for our viewers of the motovlogging world. It's me again, Soned, the forces of darkness, riding at night, vlogging at night. Yeah, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Yeah, bye-bye, picture, bye. Oh, pure gold. We got ambulance. Ambulance again. Oh. Hey. Isn't the hospital going that way? Or the opposite side? No. He must be picking up something else. Picking up the patient coming from that way. Not this way, Ah, come on. There's still a curfew. I think so there's still a car.
Hello.
Yeah, this camera is very convenient for I don't have to hold the camera itself while filming. My hands are free. Well, anyway, you have watched it on the DIY video how I made this one. This light contraption on my body. My sexy sweaty body. Here we go. And it is HD. And we have lights. Yeah, bye. Okay. Little bouncy. Bouncy little bike, and that's really still have a curve, Bright as the sunshine, and on a foggy with construction up ahead. It's very dangerous at night. You can't see these people without any. Oops. Sorry for the brightness, little tricycle. Okay, here we go. And there's a lot of cuddly, and there's really a dreadful out of traction. Yay! Rocks. And there's a lot of cows. Whoa! Wow! What is that? Animals on the loose, everybody. And it's foggy. Is it foggy or some dusty already? We're having fun now. What is that? Is that your cell phone? No, it's the it is foggy. True fog. No, it's full of dust. Damn it. full of dust, no? Be careful on the dust. It soaks up your lungs. Why don't these trucks ride on their backs like this one? Not keep distance. Keep close. Kill yourself like that, no? And they're slippery of the dust. And some motorcyclists doesn't know the keep distance word because it's English. Keep distance is English. We're in the Philippines, no one understands the word keep distance. That's why they always get killed. They put on the trucks Filipino words, no? Even the truck driver doesn't know the keep distance words in English. That's the problem. We love English, we love Americans, we love foreign people, but we don't understand them. We don't understand what we are already applying in our, system of government, system of everything, even traffic, signage, everything. And half of our fellow person doesn't know how to read that or properly or understand it, no? Because it's obviously they're not following it for many reasons, and not number one reason is they don't understand it. That's the truth. Yeah, the painful truth. So here we go. Wide road, so it's better that you overtake on a wide road and it's safe. That's how you overtake properly, plan ahead of time. If this is not viable or not permittable, don't do it. If you have doubts, don't do it. Just stay on your lane and keep distance. That's another tip for this night vlogging night. Keep distance. Yeah, papa, video bye. I have a good camera. Look at this one. It's like a GoPro or an Osmo Pocket with great stabilization. Here we go. Yep, boy. Hey, get out, little kitty cat. Yep.
Withdrawal stage.